We want to quickly review Oportun, a lender that provides bad credit loans. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous. If you had to ask me, if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to quickly review a company called Oportun, and they are actually operate in the bad credit loan space, if you will, and this is a very competitive space. And so, to review Oportun's personal loans, we collected more than 75 data points from the lender, reached out to company representative, and compared the lender with others that seek the same customer or offer a similar personal loan product. I just want you to keep in mind that loan terms and fees may vary by state. This is a company that operates in several states, but the fees and terms may vary by state. And so Oportun, I want you to think, when you think about Oportun, I want you to think about an online and storefront lender that makes installment loans to low and moderate income applicants with credit that has been hurt by credit reporting errors or who have limited to no credit history. So the company bases loan decisions on things like income, expenses, financial statements, your personal financial statements, and payments toward utility and cell phone bills instead of focusing heavily on credit history, though it will consider any history an applicant has. So this is a company that has developed an alternative scoring model in terms of reviewing their applicants. And Oportun's APR, their annual percentage rates, are kind of high, but below the 36% maximum that many financial experts and consumer advocates consider affordable. So again, we're talking here about the bad credit, the subprime market. So rates are traditionally high in that space. And loan amounts vary also by states, but loans above $6,000 are for qualified returning customers only. And terms actually oscillates between 6 and 46 months, sometimes all the way to 60 months, so 5 years. And the lender says it will structure loans in a way that works for a borrower's payday schedule and income level. So what they do is they're trying to actually time the payment conditions with your income patterns, with your payday level. Though Oportun helps borrowers establish and build credit, a personal loan may not be the best way to go about it. So if your only goal is to build credit, there are other options, and we want you to consider those other options first. Because Oportun's rates are high and loans are available in just a few states, but this lender offers an accessible alternative to payday and high interest loans. So minimum credit score, none. The estimated APR, $19.90 to $35.99. Loan amounts oscillates between $300 and $10,000. Let's take a look at the business model, Oportun's business model. So they actually focus on they have 5 key elements. And those 5 key criteria make Oportun's business model attractive to potential customers. First, they focus on credit building. All right, so they do soft credit check to pre-qualify. So they will pre-qualify you but based on the info that you've provided to them. And they actually report payments to only 2 credit bureaus. This is something they have to work. They're currently working on, and we reached out to the company representative. They are actually thinking about extending that to all the 3 major credit bureaus, so Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They also focus on affordability. So APRs are high among online lenders, but low for lenders that don't require a credit score. They do charge an origination fee. There's no rate discounts for auto payments and no prepayment fee. This is standard practice based on our research. The fact that there is no rate discount for auto payment is not really something. It's nothing new actually. If you take non-bank lenders, most of them do not give you a discount for auto pay. Only banks sort of give that because they are trying to actually get your business not only on the borrowing side but also on the pure banking side. You also have Oportun also has another criterion, the thing they really focus on, and that's loan flexibility. And so they offer multiple loan types. There is no option though to choose or change the payment date, and they fund loans the same or next business date. So this is pretty cool. And they offer payment deferrals for hardships. And loans are available in Arizona, California, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Missouri, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, Texas, Utah, and Wisconsin. They also focus on transparency. So the rates and terms are not clearly displayed on the website, but if you reached out to them, if you speak to a customer representative, they will explain everything to you. They'll send you an email. I think they haven't published those rates and terms on the website for competitive reasons. So they're just trying to protect their turf here. And the website includes FAQ that answers some borrower questions. What about the customer experience? Now, they do offer multiple customer contact channels available 7 days a week. They offer online financial education, and they also offer 100% online application process. I want to talk to you now about the pros and cons of Oportun. The pros: you have soft credit check with pre-qualification. That's pretty cool. They do offer co-sign, joint, and secure loan options. They accept borrowers new to credit, and they offer small loans starting at $300. And so, really, this is something to keep in mind. And where does the company really stand out? Let me just elaborate a little bit more on that. So they will allow applicants, if you're an applicant with thin or no credit history, they will actually allow you, because Oportun says that it really aims to help borrowers establish and build credit history. So a credit score is not really needed to qualify. Instead, the lender reviews things like income, rent, and utility payments, and how much money you have left over at the end of each month. And the loan isn't for bad credit borrowers, though, because if you have a credit score, Oportun will consider it as part of your application, but it's still okay anyway, because they will review not just your credit history, your credit score, but the entirety of your financial situation. So bad credit, no credit is still okay. And joint co-sign and secure loan options are available, so borrowers can add a co-signer or a co-borrower to their application or secure the loan with a vehicle. And adding any of this to your application may help you qualify for the loan or get a lower rate. Based on our analysis, keep in mind that each option has consequences if you fail to make payments. If you add a co-signer, that person will be on the hook if you can't pay. And if you get a secure loan, the lender can take your vehicle. So just want to keep that in mind. They also have hardship programs. So Oportun has a robust hardship program for borrowers struggling to make payments. So depending on the circumstances, the company may defer payments, or it may rewrite the loan to lower the interest rate and monthly payments and extend the repayment term. And customers have to qualify for the program and enroll, the company says. And some circumstances that may qualify include home or job loss, for example, a medical emergency, a natural disaster, or other emergency. And we love the fact that Oportun is very, very great when it comes to community focus. They are a federally certified community development financial institution, which means that their primary mission must be promoting community development. And the lender offers a free financial coach to customers, among other resources. That's really fantastic. Really, really fantastic. And what about the cons? The company is available in a limited number of states. Borrowers cannot choose or change their payment date. They don't offer direct payments to creditors with debt consolidation loans, and they report payments to 2 of the 3 major credit bureaus, so Experian and Equifax. This is something that they need to work on. I've already said that. And actually, they report their transactions to Experian and TransUnion, but not Equifax. So this is just something to keep in mind. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation about Oportun. This is a lender that focuses on people who are new to credit or who have bad credit. And let me now talk about the products and services that Oportun actually provides. They actually have 2 categories. Right now, their business model is centered around 2 products: personal loans and credit cards. Let's first talk about personal loans. And so if you need a loan and have limited credit history or bad credit or no credit at all, Oportun can help you. And so they will let you know. So they have the pre-qualification, so you can get pre-qualified in within minutes. That's fantastic. So they'll let you know if you qualify for a personal or a secured personal loan in minutes. And the cool thing here is that this product is a great of affordable alternative to payday and title loans. And loans in this space with Oportun are ranging from they're available from 300 to 10 grand. That's pretty cool. And they are capping the APR at 36%. And they actually would allow you to have, they will extend the term so you have months rather than weeks to pay off, and you can get your money in as little as 2 hours. Think about that. That's fantastic. Your money in as little as 2 hours. And the thing here is that Oportun is trying to help you establish your credit history or rebuild your credit history. They give you easy to understand credit education and resources. You have lower rates for returning customers in good standing, and there are no prepayment penalties or balloon payments. And so the cool thing here is that you have, when it comes to personal loans, you have a variety of options. Okay, so they will give you unsecured loans if you're comfortable, or if your financial situation requires a secure loan, they will also give it to you. And with a secure loan, for example, you get all the benefits of the personal loans that Oportun offers, but you'll likely be able to borrow more money at a lower APR, and you have more time to pay off your loan. So the whole idea here with Oportun is that when you get a personal loan with them, you are actually benefiting, because you're able to get a loan that you want based on your financial situation. You're able to have your transactions and your payment history reported to the credit bureau, so you can actually build or rebuild your credit history. And the cool thing here is that you are establishing a relationship with the lender. And who knows, maybe you might actually ask for more money or larger loans in the future if you remain in good standing with them. So besides personal loans, Oportun also offers credit cards. And this is a new service that they just started a few months ago, and it has worked fantastically. So it's an Oportun Visa credit card, and so you have credit lines up to $1,000. So they're starting a little small, but that's fantastic, you know. But they're doing pretty good, and this card is accepted worldwide. No credit history when needed to apply. 24/7 online account management. You can start establishing credit history right away. And the great thing here is that you have a customer service in English and Spanish, and you also have the I would say the traditional feature of a top credit card. So you have zero for liability. So you feel secure knowing that you are protected. You have no security deposit, so you don't have to put down cash to get credit. So it's not a secured card, it is an unsecured card, and you have convenient payment options, so you can pay your bill online, by mail, by phone, or even with cash. So this is pretty cool. And one thing I want to say, let's just now talk about the application process. If you want to qualify for an Oportun loan or credit card, they don't have a lot of hard requirements for borrowers, including credit score, history, or income. All you have to do, enter your zip code into Oportun's website to see whether the lender operates in your area. Then you can start the pre-qualification process online, which will not have an impact on your credit score. Again, this is a soft pull. When you have a pre-qualification process, it is a soft pull. It will have no impact on your credit score, right? So applicants, though, as an applicant, you must prove that you have regular income, and you need to prove also that you are able to repay the loan after all other monthly expenses are met. So according to Oportun, the average borrower has an income level of $45,000 per year. So here is what you need to apply for an Oportun loan. You need to have valid identification, proof of income, as I just said, proof of address, up to 4 references. You have to be 18 years or older, okay? And once you have that, you can actually apply. Let me give you a loan example. So a 3-year, 5,000 loan with an APR of 22.5% will have monthly payments of $192.25. So you would pay in total $1,921 in interest on that loan. So just want to give you an idea. Let's talk about the customer service, customer experience actually. So you can contact Oportun via email, phone, And if you're worried about making the payments, this is a lender that has been they have done wonderfully in the last few months in helping people, especially with the COVID-19, the pandemic. And the cool thing here is that if you are worried about making a payment, Oportun staff is there to help you. So they offer a number of payment options, including reduced payments and deferrals, depending on your situation. In addition, because they know how important your credit score is, they will not report any skip payments as late if you make arrangements with the company in advance. So you can call, you can text them, you can email so they can help you. So we're showing you right now on the screen the phone number 650-419-5779. 650-419-5779 and customer care at oportun.com. And they also offer, as I said earlier, they're very good in terms of financial coaching. So they have established a partnership with an organization called Unidos US that and through that tandem, through that partnership, they offer free financial coaching to all their customers. That's wonderful. And so you can call for advice on how to pull through this pandemic, or how to improve your credit score, or how to just improve your financial situation in general. You just need to know that Oportun does not operate in all states. They only operate in so personal loan applicants may apply in person, online, or by phone in Arizona, California, Florida, Illinois, New Jersey, New Mexico, Nevada, Texas, and Utah, or online only in Idaho, Montana, and Wisconsin. So those are the things you need to think about. And the Oportun Visa credit card issued by WebBank, member FDIC, is open to all customers except for residents in Colorado, DC, Iowa, Maryland, Montana, Wisconsin, and West Virginia. So this is something you just need to be aware of. And the company right now has they maintain licenses in several states, including Arizona, California, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Kansas, Louisiana, Missouri, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Oregon, South Carolina, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Washington State, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. This is something you have to think about. All right. Okay, folks. So this was our review of the lender called Oportun. Great company. We believe that they have a lot of stuff that they can improve, but they are also have been doing a lot of great stuff. This is a company you might want to consider if you are looking for if you have poor credit, no credit, or a little credit, and you're just trying to get a loan, a personal loan up to $10,000. They will work with you. Our score of this lender, 8/10. So the bottom line here is that Oportun loans may be a fit for borrowers with no credit history, or fair credit, or bad credit looking to borrow a small amount of money. And Oportun is great for borrowers who want to add a co-signer, a co-borrower, or secure the loan with their vehicle, for example, and or borrowers who live in one of the 12 states where loans are available. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.